Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something very special for you all. So this is my first haul and I'm super excited about it. So without wasting any further time, let's just get started with the video. So in no particular order, I'm just going to take the stuff which comes in, first. So let's just get started with the video. This is what I bought. It's like a huge haul. The first thing which came is this top. So this is the top which I got. It has this pretty back. The reason why I bought this top is solely because of its color. I just love its color. It will literally go with any pair of jeans, trousers. I got this top for 800 rupees. And to tell you, I got all of these items on 70% discount. There was like a huge discount going on Veramoda. And so yeah, this was the first thing which I bought. So talking about the next item, here I have this pair of jeans. Okay, so the reason why I bought this jeans is solely because of the so I love this design. I don't have anything of this sort as of yet, but I just wanted to update my wardrobe. So this is what I got. This is plain, all over plain, and it just has this rugged thing at the bottom of the jeans. So talking about the next thing, okay, so this is my favorite from the entire haul. Just look at it, guys. Just look at it. Just look at the sleeves. I am in love with this top solely because of the color. I don't have anything this darker, like other than black, in my wardrobe. I always used to think that red or maroon won't go on me, but I wanted to just try it and somehow it looked so good on me. Like, I am super happy with this. I am just waiting to wear it outside. One thing which I like the most about this top is I thought that it has a deep neck, as you can see, so I had to wear spaghetti inside it, but they have given these buttons which is like so easy for you if you don't want to wear something deep neck. So this is perfect for you. I just loved it. Next item which is coming, okay, so I am a little disappointed with this product. I'll tell you why. In the picture it was looking so better. It had this amazing back, but the quality, I didn't like the quality that much. I feel that it won't go in summer. Like, it is little harsh on your body, and I like only cotton clothes. Obviously this is my mistake also that I didn't see the product description, but yeah, I just placed the return order and this is going back. I am not going to keep it, although this was for 800, which is a really great deal on 70% discount, but I feel that I won't be able to wear it because of this stuff. So the next item is coming is, okay, so I ordered 2 spaghettis. This is the first one. This is like plain white spaghetti. This is small size. 240 rupees for just one spaghetti is nice. Okay, but so coming up next, oh, this is so nice, guys. Okay, so this is what this looks like. This is sleeveless and my size is again small. So the last thing in my haul is second white spaghetti which I was talking about. Again, the same reason, I wanted to wear something inside my see-through tops, so I ordered this spaghetti. So the difference between the 2 spaghettis is that it had the first spaghetti, it had a net on the neck area, and this one is like plain. This is deep from back side, and it also has these adjustable straps which you can adjust according to your convenience. And yeah, that was all about my haul. I hope you like this haul, guys. Thank you so much for watching it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it right now, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye, take care, stay safe.